Howdy, folks. I'm Bob Schrupp, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical therapist.
We are the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course, Bob.
Improve your posture, 3 exercises only. So we're going to make this a short one, right, Brad?
Aren't they all short, Bob?
We laugh. We got diarrhea of the mouth. We can't help it.
Wow, you know, it happens with age.
But if you are new to our channel, please take a second to subscribe to us. Despite all that, we provide videos on how to stay healthy, fit, pain-free, and we upload every day. Also, go over to the Facebook and like us, because all of you look like you could be our friend.
Wow, Bob, very unique.
Okay.
Okay, so posture, Bob, very important, right?
Yeah,
I
so
think,
many reasons.
Right, from
Pain-wise.
pain in your neck, your shoulders, your back.
And how you look.
Right.
Yeah.
If you go into a job interview and you're slunched over, you probably already lost the job.
I think you just made up a word, slunched.
Yeah, well, it's going to be big. It's going to be big in another 4.5 years. Anyways, I think everyone can agree, and that's why they tuned into this video.
Right.
And that's why they tuned in, because we're therapists and we understand posture probably better than anybody as far as from
We're
a health,
experts.
Yeah, from a body mechanics standpoint. Yeah. So we've got this slouch posture. Some people refer to it as hunchback. We got head forward posture, rounded shoulders. It's all the same thing.
Everything internally rotated.
Yep, everything works together. Yeah. So we need to do the first step is to start stretching muscles. We need to stretch the right ones and strengthen the proper ones in the right order. So first thing to do is stretch the muscles in the front.
Yeah.
The pectoralis major and the minor and a number of these here. Plus we got to work on the neck at the same time. So we're going to bring the neck back and do a little chin tuck.
Get that in right position
shoulders
while you're doing
back.
the stretch.
And if we're a little tight and we can't get back like that, the stretch, we got the door stretch.
I'm going to show the door. I'm going to pretend the door's right here.
Right,
Brad.
we don't
right?
have a door yet, but we're going to get a portable door someday.
So look at the, picture the door. Borrow your imagination. I'm going to put both arms on the side of the door like this, and I'm going to lean in. And what's nice about this with the doorway, you can do different angles. You can put it up this way and stretch. You can go down here and lean in and stretch. All you get the different fibers of the pec major, pec minor.
Sure.
And those are the muscles, again, that are going to pull you in and round you out.
Right.
Can
I use your imaginary doorway, Bob?
Yeah. Oh, I forgot to mention the neck.
That's what I was, show them the profile of the neck.
On the neck, so you're going to want to, when you're getting into a stretch position here, you're also going to want to do kind of a chin tuck.
Right.
While you're doing it at the same time. So let's, kill 2 birds with 1 stone, right?
Well, you can do whatever you want with those birds, but here, so just imagine you got a straight line here, and you want to get the head.
I don't want to be like this when I'm stretching.
Right.
I want to be a chin tuck.
Oh, that's clear as can be.
So I don't want to go down like this or up like this. It's backing the head up.
Chin goes in towards the throat.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. Now, the other thing, if you do happen to have some bands, and you don't have a doorway handy, but you have bands anyways, what you can do, now we've got the wall anchor here, which works really well. If you don't happen to have one and you're interested, we do have them.
What we're going to show you later
Yeah.
is if there's any one reason you want to buy the wall anchor, and Brad and I designed this, is for posture alone, because it's really hard to do some of those postural strengthening exercises without it.
Right.
I mean, it's just really handy.
So you could stretch with this, just if you don't have the doorway there, it's really nice to stretch. And like with the door, you can stretch different fibers. Here, we're going to do the middle fibers. I'm going to go up. And you can control so nicely with the band because it has give to it just by moving forward and backwards. And you're going to hold this 10 to 15 seconds, or you can go pressure on, pressure off. These stretches should not be painful, just a nice, comfortable stretch.
And breathe while you stretch.
There you go.
Make sure you're breathing. This is a good relaxation time.
And then the head posture too. Don't find yourself doing this. Get it back where it belongs. It just feels good. It's a nice stretch. Okay.
I want to feel that, Brad, by the way.
Go ahead, Bob.
I did not try this. I have not done this, so you can keep talking, Brad.
Well, go ahead, Bob. And then the next thing we want to do.
This actually does work.
Oh, yeah. Actually does, of course. By design.
Yeah.
So the next thing, these muscles are stretched. We need to, can you turn around once, Bob? We want to see your good side. There you go. We want to strengthen these muscles to pull the shoulders back. We're going to tuck the chin in, and we're going to get that nice straight back here. But to strengthen these muscles, you don't need any weights for this. It's just a matter of laying down, prone, or on your stomach. If you want to use some dumbbells, you could, but usually you don't.
Yeah,
All right.
these are pretty tough to do without the weight already. And if you don't have dumbbells, you could use soup cans.
Right.
I mean, it doesn't take much weight at all.
But to start out, I'm sure you can go without. A towel roll is critical, okay? Just go to the closet, get out a towel roll, roll it up, maybe put some tape on it if you'd like. And I'm going to show you why.
So I'm going to be the interpreter here. I'm going to show you the up view of what he's doing.
So you can just relax on the floor. Carpeted floor works great. You probably don't have a plinth at home. Take the towel roll and you're going to put it right on your forehead where you look down and tuck your chin slightly in. So it's not like this, but it's here. And then you just relax. I think you can hear me. There you go. And what the towel roll does, it helps gives you extra stretch on the neck in the right direction. So it's promoting good posture just by laying here on the towel roll, and it's comfortable. So at this point, we want to strengthen, and we're going to do like the touchdown move. Can you show them, Bob?
Yep.
Yep.
So you're doing thumbs up.
Thumbs up. And
for me, thumbs are going back, but his thumbs are going up. And yeah, we're just doing keeping it straight across.
There you go.
Right angle.
And you're going to do 10 of these. And you're not going to do fast ones. That's up, hold, and down. Up, hold, and down. And you'll feel those muscles around the scapula, the shoulder blades, working very nicely. And think about squeezing the shoulder blades back and in towards each other. Okay, and then you can go straight out like you're going to fly, but we're not going to fly. We're just going to up and hold and back. And you'll feel different fibers working on the trap, the rhomboids, etc. I'm not going to bore you with all the muscle names, but they're working. You'll feel them for sure. We're going to do 10 of those and then down here. And I'm going to do it palm up.
Okay.
And oh, boy, that feels good. It just feels good too. You know you're promoting your posture, getting stronger. You're going to be looking better. Oh.
So how many are you going to do of these, Brad?
10 each.
10 each.
10 each. Yep. So it's a total of 30.
You can kind of whip right through them. You can
Oh,
do
yeah.
Up,
Yep.
side, down, and just make it part of your daily routine.
Oh, yeah. We've got one more. And so you can do these and the wall angels,
Sure.
or you can do one or the other, depending on what works for you. Do you want to do the wall angel,
Sure.
Bob?
So basically, it's just like when you were a kid and you made angels in the snow, right?
Right.
Except
Some
I'm
people
using the
don't
wall.
live in the north, so they may not be aware of those.
So basically, I'm getting my neck into the good posture like we talked about,
Right.
the chin tuck. Some of you may not be able to get your head all the way back.
Right.
You get it back as well as you can.
Sure.
And then you're just going to go ahead. You're going to push against the wall, and that's getting kind of the same effect that you did when laying down.
Right.
Because
3 different levels.
it's
but
giving
here,
me the resistance, and I can only go up to about. Now the left arm's coming off the wall.
Right.
Because I am tighter on that side.
Sure.
So then I'll bring it back down again.
And as you can tell, this is work. Bob
Yeah, it is.
Bob is kind of grunting a little bit, not because it's just him. It's the way it is. But look at that. He's starting to shake.
Well, I'm really working on this side because this side stays back real well, but the other side does
now,
not.
if you're 15 years old, they might be able to
they
do
might
this.
be flat.
But maybe not. You never know.
That's the thing. A lot of the 15-year-olds are like this right now,
Right.
On their phones, so
Sure.
they may have more trouble than we do.
Right. There you go. So then you're going to do that. You can do 3 to 5 repetitions of this, just like Bob did, slowly, and you're going to find you're going to be feeling taller. You're going to look better, and I'm thinking pretty soon I'm going to be as tall as Bob if I keep doing this.
You can keep dreaming. So, are we going to do the wall anchor too?
Oh yes, one more strengthening. We can't forget.
Now you don't have to
this.
do all these. You
No.
can pick one that you like. We're just trying to give you some different options here. Brad's got the red one he wants to use.
I want to go from 2 different levels. Because I want to strengthen the middle traps and the lower traps. I do not want to strengthen the upper traps because that's the wrong direction. These slip on real nicely. That's one of the things I really like about them. We'll start at the high level, and I'm going to go down to my pockets. Like I'm going to put my hands in my pockets here, and I'm going to think about can you show them the shoulder blades
Sure.
and the pocket movement?
So the blades are coming down into the opposite pocket. So this blade goes down to this pocket. This blade goes down to this pocket. It's what you're thinking about. It's what you're visualizing. It's obviously not happening, but this will give you the correct frame of mind while you're doing these.
Yeah, get the right muscle fibers firing so we get that good posture. And I'm going to do 10 to 15 of these. Then I'm going to relax.
And this is definitely my wife and I, it's our preferred method for doing posture. My wife does these, she has one actually, she didn't use our wall anchor, believe it or not. She does at night, but during the day she just has it in the window. And she's doing one down below.
Oh, Bob.
I know.
You should be getting these wall anchors all over the house.
I know, I should.
He has them in his bedroom. Can you believe that?
Yeah, but she uses in the bedroom. She does do the posture one there
Sure,
too.
Bob.
So
you don't have to go any further. We'll believe you. But this works nice. I can feel. Okay, so again, 3 sets of 10 is a good goal for that. And you know, you're gonna feel those muscles getting stronger, stretched out in the front.
And we do have the wall anchor listed down below in our Amazon preferred products. We have different sections.
It's down there.
It is down there. We just looked.
You have to click on that little more. Some people don't know that. I've had to answer some comments. They say they don't see anything down there.
There's a more you have to click on.
And then it opens up a new page.
Thanks for watching.